Draw ellipse by directrix focus method if eccentricity E is equal to 2 by 3 and distance of focus from directrix is 50 mm. Okay, so this is a question. Draw ellipse by directrix focus method if eccentricity E is equal to 2 by 3 and distance of focus from directrix is 50 mm. Eccentricity E is equal to 2 by 3, which is less than 1. Therefore, the curve is an ellipse. Okay. Eccentricity E is equal to Vf by Vc, that is equal to 2 by 3. So here we need to add 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3, add here 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. अब ये क्यों ऐड किया, this you will understand later. Okay, in our curves. Draw first x axis, that is horizontal axis. Draw horizontal axis and what perpendicular y axis. Okay, so this is called, this vertical axis is called directrix. Okay, and this is the focus point axis. Okay, so distance of focus from directrix, let's say this is point C. Distance of focus from directrix is 50 mm. So 50 mm. So from this directrix, take distance 50 mm. So this is 50. So mark this is 50. Okay. First, divide this line. This is focus point. Distance of focus from directrix is 50 mm. So CF is 50 mm. Now V, that is the vertex on ellipse, V point is given by the relation eccentricity E is equal to 2 by 3. So divide this line in this, that's why we have done here 2 plus 3 is 5 parts. So divide this line in 5 parts. So first part, that is 50 centimeter, so 10 centimeter, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This is first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth. Now VF is VF by VF having 2 parts, that is VF having 2 parts and VC having 3 parts. So V point is here. Okay, VF by VC. So VF having 2 parts and VC having 3 parts. Okay, so this way, and this is a point on the ellipse. Okay, so let's say this is a major axis point 1 v1. Okay, now at which point will be v2? Okay, what will the major axis that we need to draw? So first draw perpendicular line from v1. Draw perpendicular line from v1, then take v1f distance in compass and mark on the perpendicular line. Okay, so this point is x. Okay, draw line from C through x. Draw line from point C through x. Okay, and from focus point draw line at 45 degree. So from this point draw from this point 90, draw line at 45 degree. Draw line at 45 degree. Okay, the intersection of this line okay, this intersection point, let's say x dash. Okay, join this x dash point on horizontal line. Join x dash point on horizontal line. Okay, so this point will be v2. So this is the major axis of ellipse. Okay, now to draw ellipse, divide this v1f line in 5 parts. You can take same distance or any distance. So I will divide this in 5 parts. So this is of 10 mm. Okay, I'm getting 10 mm, 10 centimeter. So let's say this point is 1, then this point is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then draw line passing through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and cutting line x dash on the top side and bottom side. So this is draw lines from 1 passing through x dash on the top side and bottom sides. So this is this, then 2 passing through x dash. Okay, top side and bottom side. Similarly 3 passing through x dash. Similarly 4, then 5 and 6. Okay, so this is 1 dash, 2 dash, this point is 3 dash, this is 4 dash, this is 5 dash and 6 dash. Okay, now take a distance 1 dash in compass, 1 dash, and put at point F, and marks in the top side and bottom side on same line. Similarly, take a distance 2 2 dash, 2 2 dash, put on F and mark on top side and bottom side. Okay, so this was 2 2 dash, so put on F, mark on top side and bottom side. Similarly, 3 3 dash, 3 3 dash, put on focus point and mark on the top side of line and bottom side of the lines. So these are the points on the ellipse. Similarly, 4 4 dash, 4 4 dash, put on F point, mark on 4 4 dash line top side and bottom side. Okay, similarly 5 5 dash, 5 5 dash, take a distance 5 5 dash, put on focus point and mark on 5 5 dash line top side and bottom side. Similarly 6 6 dash, put on focus point and mark on 6 6 dash line top side bottom side. Now these are the points on the ellipse. These are the points on the ellipse. Now which what will be the extreme right point of major axis? Now this point, this major axis, this point. Now if we take V2 x dash distance, okay, in compass and put at focus point, so we're getting the same point, getting the same point. Okay, so this point, last point we are getting here. So these are the point on the ellipse. So mark these points as P1 dash, this is P2 dash, this is P3 dash, this is P4 dash, this is P5 dash, this is P6 dash, this is V2, P7 dash, this is P8 dash, P9 dash, P10 dash, this is P11 dash, and this is P12 dash. So these are the points on the ellipse. Now this is the major axis. So draw ellipse passing through V1 and V2 and this P1 P2 P3 points respectively. So this is draw ellipse. P2, P3, then P4, then P5, then P6, then this is V2, then join V2, V2 P7, then this is P dash P, oh, this point, join this point, and so this is a ellipse by directrix focus method. Directrix focus method. Thank you.